While some snoring can be normal or may just be a bothersome sound, snoring is a common sign of a more serious health condition, such as obstructive sleep apnea. Sleep apnea means abnormal pauses in the breathing when somebody is sleeping. Other symptoms to look for, other than loud disruptive snoring, include the person being very restless when they sleep, gasping awake or struggling to breathe as they're sleeping. Untreated obstructive sleep apnea can have serious health consequences. You should see a doctor about your snoring if it is very loud and disruptive to the bed partner, particularly if it's associated with other symptoms such as excessive daytime sleepiness, or if you have coexisting medical conditions that can be impacted by sleep apnea such as hypertension, depression, and insomnia.